Hi parents, Mrs. Kohler here, and today I wanted to show you something that we've been doing in class that I think will really help as you help your child with math, and it's been helping us with our long division. So what I want to show you first is a tic-tac-toe board that I made for all the kids in my class, and the tic-tac-toe board has our multiplication facts on it. So this box shows our 2 times tables, we have 3, 4, etc. And as you go across, the boxes show 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it's like that repeated for each multiplication fact. So the student, all they have to do if they're wondering what 5 times a number is, they have to look in the middle box, and they know the middle box will show them 5 times the number. So this has been really helpful with my students in showing them the facts instead of the old, grit one number on the side, meet in the middle, one that we've been used to. This kind of shows it a little bit more individually and just for the facts so that they can have a better organization of it in their heads. So we've been using this, and we've been using it to help us with our long division. I'm going to show you what I've been teaching the students so that you can understand it and show them at home as well. So I have our problem set up here as 1,234 divided by 56. Now when you and I were in school, we did the whole try a number out, multiply by a number, see if that works, the whole drill and check. And I found an awesome system that works for us that uses our tic-tac-toe board. And what I'm going to do is make 3 tic-tac-toe boards. I'm going to do a 5 times table over here, a 4 times table over here. So this is 5, this is 4, but then, 6, sorry, I apologize, 6. And then I'm going to make a 56 times table. Because when we divide, we're basically just saying how many times does 56 multiply into this, or what number times 56 help us get close to it, okay? So what I'll have my students do is fill out their times table. So we'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, all the way up to 9, because if it goes above 9, that means you need to go in another time. You can only have a single digit up here. 6 times table, we're going to do the same thing. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, and 54, okay? And we're going to pause on a moment on the 56 times table, okay? I'll show you how we're going to figure that out in a minute. So the 6 times tables represents the 6 here in the ones place. The 5 times table represents the 5 here in the tens place. Since it is in the tens place, really it's not a 5, it's actually 50. So I tell my students to go in and add a 0 behind each of the 5 times facts, because really we're doing 50 times 1, 50 times 2, 50 times 3, etc. So now I have a 50 times tables, a 6 times table, and to make my 56 times table, I'm going to combine them together, and I'll show you how that will help us with this. So this is a great way for them to practice their mental math as well, and how they have to think, what's 50 plus 6? 56. 100 plus 12 is 112. 150 plus 18 is 168. 224, 280, 336, 392, 448, and 504. Okay? So just adding the numbers that are in the same spot, and that will represent 56 times 1, 56 times 2, 56 times 3, and etc. So next I'll erase this just so I can give myself a little bit of room to work. And what this does, having a 56 times table here, it will eliminate the guesswork that we had to do when we were doing math. Okay, so now I can go 56, can it go into 1? No. Can it go into 12? No. But can it go into 123? And they can look at their board and say yes. And I tell them they have to find the number that is closest to 123 without going over. So they'll look and they'll say, hey, 112 is it? That means 56 times 2 equals 112. And then we'll proceed to do the math like we normally do. Okay, again, can 56 go into 114? It can, 2 times. Nothing else to bring down, so my answer is 22 remainder 2. Takes out all the guesswork that we had to do when we were kids growing up in math, drill and check. Oh, is it going to be 5? Is it going to be 6? We don't know. But now they have every fact for 56 up to 9. All they have to do is look at the chart. It takes a little bit of time to set it up, but it's good practice to drill and memorize their math facts. And then also that mental math with addition part. So now they just have to add it. They have all their facts. They can solve it nice and quick. They can check their work, and then they're good to go. So I hope that this is helpful. It's been really beneficial for a lot of my students. They've really made a lot of progress, and they've been doing awesome with their division because of it. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you more, and so that you can help your child in the end. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.